Hey, my name is Marnitz van Deventer and I've written a play called Bird. Now, Bird has been selected to be part of the International Dublin Gay Theatre Festival in May 2015. This is so exciting. This will be the world premiere of Bird. No one has ever seen it. Problem is, Bird needs to travel all the way from South Africa to its new destination, and we need your help. Please. Bird? It's a story about love and self-discovery. It's a story about falling and flying. Like a flock of birds that migrate, people travel through life in search of love and happiness. They fly and fly and fly until they meet the love of their life, and then together they fly some more. On this journey they discover new worlds and new horizons. They laugh and play and grow. They build nests and perhaps even lay some eggs together. They share dreams and visions and goals, and then one day their nest made of twigs and leaves and grass falls apart. Hey, it's a bird, and it's coming to you soon.